Cryptocurrency isn't digital cash, and it isn't an investment by default. If you don't understand what you actually own, you're already taking more risk than you think. Most people learn about crypto from price charts, hype videos, or social media arguments, so they end up debating something they can't clearly define. Before you ever think about buying crypto, you need to understand what it is. Not what it's worth, not what someone claims it will do, just what it actually represents. In the last video, we talked about blockchain, a shared digital notebook that everyone can see, but no one can secretly change. That notebook doesn't exist to sit there. It exists to keep track of ownership. And what lives inside that notebook is what we call cryptocurrency. So today isn't about price or speculation. It's about what's written in the book. At its simplest, cryptocurrency is digital property recorded on that shared notebook. There are no physical coins, no paper bills, no files stored on your phone. There are just entries that say, this amount belongs to this address. The network makes sure no one can copy it, fake it, or spend the same thing twice. That's the entire job. A cryptocurrency is simply a record of ownership that everyone agrees on at the same time. When people say you own crypto, they don't mean you're holding something in your hand. They mean you control a private key. That private key is proof that a specific line in the notebook belongs to you. No bank approves it, no company issues it, no customer support can reset it. If you lose the key, you lose access to that line. That's the trade-off. You get direct control, but also full responsibility. The money in your bank account exists because a bank's database says it does. You trust that number because the bank and the government back it. In crypto, there's no central database. The notebook is shared. Everyone sees the same balances. Everyone checks the math. Instead of trusting an institution, you trust a system that makes cheating extremely difficult. That's not better or worse by default. It's just a different model. So if crypto is just digital ownership records, why does it have value at all? It comes down to three simple ideas. Scarcity. Many cryptocurrencies have limited supply. No one can print more on a whim. Utility. Some tokens pay fees. Some run applications. Some move money globally without banks in the middle. And network effect. The more people use the same system, the more useful it becomes to everyone. When those three combine, a digital record starts to matter. Not all cryptocurrencies serve the same role. Some are native coins. They're built into the blockchain itself and help keep the system running. Some are tokens. They're created on top of existing blockchains, like apps inside a larger platform. And some are stablecoins. They're designed to track something stable, like a dollar, so digital payments don't swing wildly in value. Different tools. Different jobs, same shared notebook. A few quick myths worth clearing up. Crypto isn't imaginary money. Money has always been a shared agreement. Crypto just enforces that agreement with open math. Crypto isn't anonymous. Most blockchains are public. Transactions don't show names, but they never disappear. And crypto isn't just for criminals. Permanent records are terrible for hiding activity. That's why so many cases get traced after the fact. The system remembers everything. Here's an easy way to picture it. If blockchain is the highway, cryptocurrency is the car driving on it. The road keeps everyone aligned. The car is what actually moves value. No highway, no movement. No cars, no purpose. They're designed to work together. Here's the simplest way to say it. Cryptocurrency is a digital ownership record that lives on a shared ledger and doesn't require a bank to verify it. If you can say that confidently, you already understand more than most people arguing about crypto online. And once you understand that, everything else starts to make a lot more sense. Everything on this channel is about understanding how crypto actually works. Not price predictions or hype, but the systems, rules, and shared records that make crypto function under the hood. When you understand how the crypto system is built, it becomes much easier to judge the claims, headlines, and narratives around it. That foundation is what we'll keep building in the next video. This content is for education only, not investment advice. And thanks for watching.